Good morning, everyone. In today's class, we're going to do combination. This is part of chapter permutation and combination. This is there for CBSE and ISC 11 standard. Now let's get started. Combination. Number of selection or listing of objects. Questions that deals with selection or listing of objects are combination questions. It is used only if the ordering of the object does not matter. So what is used when ordering of object matters? Permutation. When ordering of object matters, then it's a permutation question. When ordering of object does not matter, then it's a combination question. Like questions where words have to be formed, questions where 4-digit number, 3-digit number, 6-digit numbers have to be formed. Those are permutation questions. Questions where team need to be selected. Then you call that as combination questions. Formula. NCR equals n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Relationship between permutation and combination. Permutation, which is NPR, equals NCR combination into r factorial. Didn't I tell you that in permutation, listing of object matters? So listing and arranging. So here we select them, and once we select r elements from n elements, you arrange the r elements in r factorial ways. Therefore, this becomes permutation, NPR. Now, properties of combination. Property 1. NC0 is 1. Value of NC0. Example, 5C0, 10C0, 9C0 are 1. Property 2. NCN is also 1. NCN like 5C5, 10C10, etc. is 1. Property 3. If NCX equals NCY, then n equal to x plus y. When NCX equals NCY, n equals x plus y. Property 4. NCR plus NCR minus 1 equals to n plus 1 CR. There are some specific set of questions that will come up from the properties. Maybe I'll make a video separately on that. Today I've just listed out all the properties. Now, in order to understand combination better way, I've taken 3 questions. They are very, very important questions, and I tried my best to include all cases in these 3 questions. So let's start. In how many ways can 11 players be selected from 15 cricket players? In how many ways can 11 players be selected from 15 players? Now, the first case where there is no restriction, no restrictions. So that means the answer for the first one is, out of 15 we have to select 11. So 15 C 11, which we expand as 15 factorial by 15 minus 11, that's 4 factorial into 11 factorial. Or we can simply write this as 15 into 14, 15C4, 15C11 is equal to 15C4. 15C11 will be equal to 15C4. Using property 2, 15C11 equal to 15C4. So instead of expanding 15C11, we can expand 15C4 as 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So from 15 backwards 4 number, and then from 1 forward 4 numbers. Okay. So either you can use the formula and write it as 15 factorial by 15 minus r factorial into r factorial. Or you can use that NCX equal to NCY property. So 15C11 equals to 15C4. 15C4 we can expand backwards from 15 4 number backwards and from 1 4 number forward. For IEC students, calculator is allowed, so this wouldn't be a big task for them. So for CBSE, it is very important to know the shortcut, as calculators are not allowed for you. Now first case is over. Let's do the second case. Only one of them may be included. So one specific player have to be there in the selection. So it's like a compulsory. Now, I like to make a tabular column when it comes to these kind of questions where there is some restriction. Let's clear this to some extent so that we can make space for the next sum. Now, making tabular column. Totally there are 15 players, in which one particular player have to be included. So remaining are optional then, right? As per the question, we need to make a team of 11 players, and as per the condition 2, one of them must be included. So if I select this one, then I have to select only 10 from the remaining 14, isn't it? So combination is 1C1 into 14C10. Clear? Since one of them must be included, therefore he must be there in the team. So from 15, that one particular person is separated. Remaining 4, we can use some choices there. So this one particular person is selected. From 14, we select 10. So total is 11. Now, third case. Only one of them who is in bad form may be excluded. So similar to it, one particular player is not in good form. So 15 players in total, one not in good form, remaining 14 are good. We need to make a team of 11 players. So we are not going to take this player, hence we have to take all 11 from this 14. So it is 1C0 into 14C11. This is case 3. Now case 4. Only 2 of them being leg spinners, only one is selected. So out of 15 players, 2 of them are leg spinners. So that means 2 of them are bowlers. So out of 15, there are 2 leg spinners and 13 all-rounders. And out of 2 leg spinners, we have to select one. So let's take one out of this 2. And yes, we need to make a team of 11. Out of 2 bowlers, we have selected one. So remaining, we have to select only one. 2 of them being leg spinner, only one is selected out of that. From 13, we have to select the remaining 10. So the combination is 2C1 into 13C10. Clear? So this is the first type of question. Now, let's get into the second one. From 30 students in a class, 10 are to be chosen for an excursion party. There are 5 students who decide that all of them will join or none will join. How many ways can the excursion party be chosen? So, there are 30 students in total. There are 30 students in total, out of which 5 have some restrictions in selection. 5 students have put up some condition. Remaining 25, it's open to every options. So 30 is separated as 5 and 25. We need to make a team of how many people are to be chosen for the excursion? 10. Yes. So we need to make a team of 10 people. Now, the first choice is, the question says, the 5 students who decide that all of them will come or none will come. So let us assume like all of them comes. Let us assume one of the case where all of them comes. So all 5 come. So remaining 5 is only chosen from the 25. So it's 5C5 into 25C5. This way we select 10 people. The second is none comes from this 5. Then all 10 comes from this 25. In that case 5C0 into 25C10. So answer for this would be 5C5 into 25C5 plus 5C0 into 25C10. Question number 2 is over. Let's go to question number 3. A bag contains 6 white marbles and 5 red marbles. Find the number of ways in which 4 marbles can be drawn that there can be any color. They can be of any color. So how many marbles are there in total? 6 white and 5 red. So totally 11 marbles. And there is no compulsion that it must be a white or a red. We have to choose 4 marbles out of 10 marbles and they can be of any color. So there is no need to separate them as white or red here. We can make one selection. So out of 10, 4 is selected. I hope you understood. There is 6 white and 5 red. And under the first category, there is no compulsion. It is completely open. The marbles that we select can be of any color. So we total the marbles 10. Out of that we select 4. So 10C4. Case 2, where 2 white and 2 red must be there. So we have to select 4 in which 2 are white and 2 are red. So here we have to make a tabular column. So totally how many white? White in number is 6, red in number is 5. We need to make a team of 4 marbles. As per the question, 2 must be white, 2 must be red. So the selection is 6C2 into 5C2. Clear everyone? 2 white, 2 red. So out of 6 white we take 2 white and out of 5 red we take 2 red. Last case, they must be of the same color. So that means all 4 marbles must be either a white marble or it must be a red marble. So white in number 6, red in number 5, team equals to 4. As per the question, they must be of same color. So I take all 4 as a white marble. I take 4 marbles from the white, no red. So the selection is 6C4. Or the next case where I don't take white but I take all 4 as red. So then it is 5C4. Here if you want you can write 5C0 and here 6C0. But as I told you in property, 5C0, 6C0 or NC0 is going to be 1. Okay. So these are 3 uniquely different questions in combination. Hope you understood. I'm open for suggestions. If you find my videos useful, share it with your friends. And if you want me to do more problems in any topics, do leave a message in the comment box. Thank you.